Hello team, welcome to another AI lesson in under 5 minutes. Today we're diving into how AI can help you create a complete financial plan for your business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT to build a solid financial roadmap. First, let's see how ChatGPT can help you assess where your business stands financially. Here's what to ask. Use the prompt, I want to create a financial plan for my business. Help me create a list of questions to assess my current financial position. Your responses will most likely include elements of current revenue streams, monthly expenses, cash flow patterns, profit margins, existing debt, and available capital. Let's use these questions to create a clear snapshot of your business. Second, now that we understand our starting point, let's use ChatGPT to set realistic financial goals. So now we'll use the prompt, based on a small business making $10,000 monthly revenue with $7,000 in expenses, help me set realistic 6-month financial goals. Include growth targets, expense management, and profit goals. Third, here's where it gets really practical. Let's turn these goals into actionable steps. So we'll use the prompt, break down these financial goals into monthly milestones, weekly action items, required resources, and key performance indicators. Finally, let's create a system to track our progress. So we'll use the prompt, help me create a simple tracking system for these financial goals, including what to measure, when to measure it, how to evaluate success, and when to make adjustments. There you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to use AI to create a complete financial plan for your business. Remember, this is just the starting point. You'll want to review and adjust your plan regularly. Want to learn more about using AI for your business finances? Like and follow for new lessons every day. Drop a comment below if you have any questions.